We're here at Goats on the Roof in Pigeon Forge. We're gonna ride the mountain coaster and show y'all around. Here's a look of the coaster from the front.
And we got a mini golf here also.
Yeah. And we fed the goats. They got goats up on the actual roof, and then they also got goats on the side that you can feed. The feed was $3.29 for a little cup, and then you can do $1 refills. The goats up here, the tickets for the coaster were $13 a person, $26 on the tax. We got some goats up there on the roof. Some dinosaur decorations. Some of the little decorations and the goats over there.
All right, going up the lift hill. That goats on the roof. Gonna be another coaster here. We got some animatronics and everything out on this one also. It looks like the ones from Home Depot or Lowe's. The guy said there's 3/4 a mile going up and 3/4 a mile coming down. The first part is all going up the hill. There's some skeletons. This one's bringing you a little deeper into the woods. Werewolf. Little zippy zab, zoop zoop.